I took what is arguably the best value day trip from Bangkok. 20 baht for round-trip train ticket from Wong Wian Yai to Mahachai. The train journey is part of Thailand's historic Maeklong Railway, opened around 1904 to 1905 to link Bangkok's western side, Thonburi, to Samut Sakhon, Mahachai, for the transport of seafood. Originally a private line and later taken over by the State Railway of Thailand, SRT. Known for its charm and unique route through markets, with a ferry hop to the Maeklong side, it's a beloved commuter line, though the original Maeklong San station section was paved into a road in the 1960s, making Wongwian Yai the current main hub for this distinct, isolated line. The train track runs for 65 kilometers from Wongwian Yai to Mahachai. As I mentioned earlier, the railway was originally under private ownership, constructed as a private line to take seafood produce from the fishing ports of Samut Sakhon and Samut Songkhram to the markets of Bangkok. It later became part of the State Railway of Thailand, though it was never physically connected to the rest of the network. The government of Thailand purchased the founding company in 1926 and electrified the eastern section, turning it into an interurban tramway. The Thai military later gained control of the railway in 1942 during World War II, and the line was brought under the control of the State Railway of Thailand in 1952 and fully merged into it by 1955. Around 17 trains run daily in each direction between Wongwian Yai and Mahachai, and 4 trains run daily between Ban Lem and Maeklong. The railway is one of the slowest in Thailand, and the reported average speed for the whole line is only 30 km per hour. Trains start from 5:30 am in the morning, and the last train to depart Wongwian Yai is at 10 past 8 pm. Last train back leaves Samut Sakhon at 7 pm. Let's hop aboard with our 10 baht one-way ticket to Mahachai.
You climb aboard the train and travel all about to bring some home to those shipping out. And after every song, the boys are hollering for more. And then we hop aboard and the engine starts to roar. And the train goes choo-choo, the engine goes woo. And the train goes choo-choo, woo-woo, choo-choo. And the train goes choo-choo, the engine goes woo-woo. And the train goes choo-choo, woo-woo, choo-choo. They're going overseas to the Allied front to mix the bully boys with the freedom sponge. So when the band starts up, we give them all we can. And then it's all aboard to do it all again. And the train goes choo-choo, the engine goes woo. And the train goes choo-choo, woo, choo-choo. And the train goes choo-choo, the engine goes woo. And the train goes choo-choo,
This pineapple that I bought from Mahachai market. Very, very sweet and juicy. This is seriously sweet. Yummy. Look at that, 2 pigs on tour. My buddy here, he also likes food.
They're going overseas to the Allied front to mix the bully boys with the freedom sponge. So when the band starts up,